Do you ever feel like your life is just out of control, like everything's just going crazy and there's not much you can do about it, kind of like a house of cards falling in? I'm going to give you a little hint here, a little bit of help on how to get control back, and it's just don't answer the phone. You know, there's no rule that says you have to answer the phone. There's no rule that says you have to go check Facebook every 10 minutes or have push notifications that every time somebody posts something, you get a ding and get your little shot of dopamine and get to go check Facebook. You can turn all of that off. Do you realize that mankind lived for 6,000 years of civilization without a telephone, without text messages, without Facebook? You can say no, you can turn the thing off, you can par it back. I'm not telling you to get rid of it, I'm just saying you can cut it way back and take control of your life if you feel like your life's out of control. One of Satan's strategies is to get you so busy chasing all these little emergencies, and I did that in air quotes because most of our emergencies are anything but an emergency. He gets us so busy chasing these little emergencies that we have no time for God. And God said, seek first the kingdom of God and His righteousness. That is to be our number one priority. But Satan gets us so busy, and iPhones are one of his best tools. Facebook is one of his best inventions to distract people. They're not doing anything bad or evil or wicked. They're good moral people. But their priority is not heaven. Or as Colossians chapter 3, verse 1 and 2 would say, they've not set their mind on heaven. Too many people have set their mind on their social media and their busy schedule that is going to end at the tombstone. And I'm just saying, hey, par it back. Slow it down. There's life after no. You cannot answer a whole lot of those phone calls coming in, and nothing is going to change. You can ignore a whole lot of Facebook and nothing is going to change except you're going to have more sanity, peace, and calmness in your life. So if you're feeling that your life's a little bit out of control and this applies to your situation, give it a thought. Try not answering the phone. In fact, turn this video off, turn the phone off, and go read a good book. Take a nap. Go for a walk. Have a good day.